Hi, stars. I know I'm taking a break right now, but I really want to post something. So, I'm going to talk about school.commas. So, last year, I put a super cringy song on our class playlist as a joke. Everyone in the class was mad about it, and my teacher wouldn't let me change my song. So, I got made fun of a lot, which is why I hope I have none of the same classmates except for two people who were super kind, even with the song that was on the playlist. I also hope it doesn't follow me into this year. And sadly, school starts in 2 days, too. Well, thanks for tuning in. Starlight up, up, and away.